We've seen in recent news stories that lead can get in your water. It might also be on your walls or around your windows.
In children, the #1 cause of elevated levels of lead is from exposure to paint.
Mayo Clinic Dr. Laura Breer says the risk is highest for children who live in older homes.
Any house that was built before about 1975 to 1978 most likely has some layer of paint, maybe 2 deep, maybe 3 deep, that has lead in it.
The danger occurs when dust or flakes of that old lead paint gets into the air and on the ground.
And little children from crawling around on the ground and picking up dust or lead chips or those sorts of things.
Children exposed to lead are at risk for lower IQ scores, developmental delays, and behavioral issues. The American Academy of Pediatrics recommends your child be tested for lead at ages 1 and 2. Your doctor may also suggest a test if your child is older but hasn't been screened.
If you find that there's an elevated level of lead, you can test the water or you can test the paint in your house.
For the Mayo Clinic News Network, I'm Jeff Olson.